All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-in-1 miners, crypto projects, all kinds of things about cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about Cake of Fortune. This has been out for about a month. A fantastic project, paying 3% a day. Also, we're going to kind of touch a little bit about Elk of Fortune coming out next week. Talk about that a little bit. Mostly Cake of Fortune, mostly Elk of Fortune. It's going to be a fantastic video. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and you know it, one day even get into cryptocurrency and own some. All right. 6-in-1 miners. These things have been going on for a while. There's a lot of them that came out. There's a lot of them that has already died. Baked Beans did fantastic when it was on the hype, and then all of a sudden it's on the down swing. Grinch Bucks. Now, these projects I've been into myself, so I'm not bashing on any projects, but here's what I think. I actually think that this 3% getting paid a day 3% is a lot more sustainable than these 8 to 10 to 12 to 20% ones. Now, BNB Miner, it's been around for over 444 days, and this thing's been paying over 3%, and Cake of Fortune is paying 3%. So, let's go ahead and head over to Cake of Fortune. All right, we're over here at Cake of Fortune, and if you look over here to the top, it says pay 3% daily, 1,095 APR. I've actually put in about 52 cakes. I'm just getting started with this project. I've actually done a lot of these different minor projects. Again, I'm not a financial planner. All my information is for educational purposes only. Bringing to my viewers projects. Sometimes we make mistakes on some of these minors and we jump into it, and some of them get rugged, and some of them don't pay like they're supposed to, and this and that. Sometimes we get lucky. Well, this is one of these, I think, one of these finds that you're going to be glad that you came across my video early in this project. If we go down to the bottom here, there's only $69.71, about $7,000 into this actual project. I think when I started to put my cake in, there was about $3,000 in the contract. So things are going up. Also, one of the things, I was actually around for the launch of this, and one of the things that happened is the launch went okay. Something went wrong with everything, and they actually refunded everybody's money. So that is also another good advantage, that everybody got their money refunded. Right now, again, there's about $7,000 in this project. I want to show you right here. I have 0.37 cake. I've already compounded earlier today, but I'm going to show you how to do this on film. One, you're going to need to prove your cake when you're actually getting started. I'll come back to that. Let's go ahead and hire more hunters. So what I'm doing right here is I'm putting my cake back in to make my snowball bigger. I'm clicking it. I got 0.37. Now notice here, 626 and 87. So I only got 626 and 87. The cake right here is going to go back into 626 and 87. Let's watch what happens here. Takes a few seconds. And boom, 626 went up to 629, and 87 went to 87 and a half here. So now I have more more miners that are actually mining for me, and I got more hunters. The key thing on this is it's paying 3% a day. Okay, now up here at the top, you can click YouTube, and it will take you right over here to Craig. And Craig has a video explaining.
Hello, welcome to my next YouTube video. My name's Crypto Craig, and today is Sunday, so we all know what's going up today.
So Crypto Craig's talking about it. I'm going to go back here. Fantastic thing. You can go there. The Telegram here. You can go to the Telegram group, see what's going on, and I'm involved in this too. And obviously, you know, when you go to the Telegram group, you can kind of check out what's going on. So you want to kind of do that. Now, again, I'm jumping around a little bit because I got a lot to tell you. Over here, Elk of Fortune is coming out next week. Now, notice here at the top, Elk of Fortune has Cake of Fortune. 1% of Elk of Fortune, every time the things are happening, is going to go into Cake of Fortune. So this whole project, Welcome to Elk of Fortune, is going to feed Cake of Fortune. So they're building projects on top of each other. So this is a fantastic time for both of these. Now next week, this may come out on Monday, this may come out on Tuesday, but here's what I would say. If you're looking for a way to actually make true passive income, 3% a day and not get rugged and not basically be able to be in it for a month or two and then the project dies and stuff, I think both of these projects are going to be for you. Cake of Fortune and Elk of Fortune, you're going to want to check them both out. Again, Elk of Fortune is going to feed the Cake of Fortune. So Cake of Fortune is doing really good right now, but it's actually going to be doing better. To show you real quick here, in case you don't know. So you have to buy cake. So right here, to show you how easy this is, I'm going to go over here to Pancake Swap, and I'm already logged in. I'm going to swap it here, and I got BNB on the top, and look at that, I got cake on the bottom. Just to show you real quick, I put 0.1 in of a BNB. Let me see, let's go here. Show you how simple this is to do for the viewers out there that don't know how to do this. Sometimes I've learned this too. If you have a hard time, you can actually type it here, 0.1. Look, I'm going to copy it. I don't know why it doesn't work like that sometimes. I copied it. I go right back to Pancake Swap. I go right over here, and I hit paste. And shwam, look at there's the 0.1. There's a little tip I just showed you. So I got BNB at the top. I'm going to buy 0.1, which is going to be 7 cakes. I'm going to swap it real quick. And here's my swapping feature. I swap it. 0.1. I'll figure this out in a second for you. I'm going to pay the fees real quick. 0.1. I'm gonna actually write it down, 0.1, and boom, it's happening. So now let's go to my wallet here. It's pending. Look at my cake right here. There's 0.4, and I know I'm getting about 7 of them. So notice here real quick, it's gonna happen any second now. Boom, there's 7.7 cake in there. So you just watched me go to Pancake Swap and swapped out some BNB for some cake. Not too bad. Now, let's go back to Cake of Fortune. Now, I know I got 7.7 in here. I have to go over here and I have to approve it first. So 7.7, I'm going to approve my spending. Just as again, for everybody who hasn't done this before, 7.7, I'm going to pay my 7 cents to approve it. No big deal. I'm going to approve my 7.7. And you can come over to your wallet here. It's going to say it's pending for a second. Boom, the cake's pending. And then in a second here, it's going to not be pending. Give it about 3 to 5 seconds. And boom, now it's not pending. Okay, now, how much did I just get here? So BNB right now is $2.15. So 10%, 0.1 is $21. So I just got $21 in cake. Okay, let's do this too. How much is cake right now? Let's go over here to Coin Market Cap, put cake in. Click the little thing. Cake is a little under $3 right now. So let's just say it's $3. Okay, so I got $21 in cake, and I'm going to take my 7.7, and I'm going to put it right here, 7.7, and look when I click it, it says I'm going to hire 6,021 hunters. Okay, so I'm going to write this down because I kind of like to be accurate. 62967 hunters, and then the hunting power is 87.45. Again, I'm doing this for anybody who's kind of new to this. And again, if you're a veteran in this is something you definitely want to do. All right, let's go ahead and hire these 7.7K, $21 I'm putting back into the system. Haven't even, I've been compounded, I've never taken money out. This is going to be my long-term play, this and BNB Miner. So now my 7.7, that's 62.9 right here. Take a look, I got it written down. And my 7 cake, 7.7, what's it going to do for me? Give it another 3. Boom. Now there's 69,000 hunters. And then my hunting power was at 87. Now it's at 95. All right. So what I'm going to do is in my stats, I'm going to add $21 to my stats when I go ahead and update that. And what's going to happen here is this is going to produce cake for me more because I got more hunters. I got more power going on. And when Elk of Fortune comes out here on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday next week, whatever day it comes out, that is going to feed this project. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. In a year from now, when you look back at this video, you're going to be like, thank you, Frank. This was an awesome project. It's still around a year from now. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Trying to bring winners to you on this channel. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Click right here for one of my favorite ones, BNB Miner. This little bad boy's been out for 450 some days, paying 3% a day. That's why I like the Cake of Fortune at 3% a day. And click right here for Crop BUSD, Crop Yield Farmers, another fantastic project. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Cake of Fortune's going to be a winner for you. Elk of Fortune coming up next week.